Hey, it's Sean from Team Plus, and we're here today at CHE Workshop to take a look at the second part of building the Team Plus BMW M3 F80. Let's take a look at the progress of what's happening as they move the major subframes across. But first, a little about CHE Racing. I was fortunate enough to spend a couple of years helping this team out, and this team has incredible success and are locally based here in Canberra, with 2 Australian Ford Championships, a Porsche National Carrera Cup Australia Championship, State Formula Ford Championships, and a Bathurst 6-hour outright win with an M2 they built, coming from last place to first to win it. So I couldn't afford to pay for these guys to build me a top spec race car, but I certainly wouldn't go past them to help me out in moving across the core componentry here. There it is up there. How you doing? How's it going? Yeah.
It's going okay.
So that fuel filler looks okay. It's just some of the surround plastics was the only bits, was it? Oh yeah. Yeah. Bit of creative reshaping. Yep. So on the engine here, we'll probably take this off today, the air conditioning compressor. Just before it goes back in the other car, it'll be a bit easier.
Let's do it. You reckon we need to twist a little bit? Maybe we need to go your way. I think we need to sneak your way touch. Stop. Front pin's gone on.
I'm nearly on.
Alright, stay there. Come down a little bit.
Down here.
I'll put a bolt in that.
Go right here.
Clear?
Yeah, go. One of the unknowns we had in making this car is that we are using a damaged vehicle, and it has taken a large hit in the back corner, and the subframe we're using for the rear is coming from that car. So we weren't sure whether there was some bent elements of the subframe. Will it fit in the other car? So today is really a big test.
Yeah, it's great. I've got heaps of room. That's pulling up pretty good too.
It's flushing in now. Don't do it up tight.
Alright. Take it out.
There we go.
Sweet.
Oh yeah. That should line up. Unless it's bent.
Oh, look at that.
How good's that? I think you dodged a bullet.
Sometime in my life I had to get lucky.
happened? Oh, the truck.
Struts.
You need someone to let down? Hang on, I'll come up. You can go down enough to...
Lucky Sean's here.
I could do one thing useful all day.
Holding something.
The fire is burning in the Pacific Palisades neighbourhood.
All right.
West
Yep.
Australia.
Stop there.
Burned by strong
You just see.
I can probably aim.
There it goes. Engine and transmission reconnected. Engine and transmission back in the car.
Not a backyard job, is it?
No. Yeah, well the hoist is the number one. And then having a lot of these sort of lift tables is the other.
Well, yeah.
So these cars left here Monday afternoon and Tuesday morning, and here we are Thursday morning and they're back. Very quick turnaround from CHE Racing to move across, essentially reshell a car in just over one business day. Nice work guys, thank you. Check out our socials for the next episode.